Hello, in this video I will show you how to perform phone setup on HMD Pulse Plus. So you have to start by clicking Let's Go, and now you can click Skip. Here you can connect to Wi-Fi, or you can click Setup Offline, then click Continue. Now you can choose date and time, and then click Next. Then scroll down and click Accept. And now you can set up fingerprint unlock, or you can click Skip. And here you can set up face unlock, or you can click Skip again. Now you can set up PIN, or you can click Skip again and then click Skip anyway. Now you can choose navigation mode and then click Next. And here you can click Leave and Get Reminder. And your phone setup is now done. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.